Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to remove screen lock on Android phone. So let's start. First of all, you can see I am here in my Android phone. Now to remove the screen lock, first of all tap on this setting and scroll down, and over here you'll find this password and security. Just tap on this, and now over here you can find this screen lock. Here is password, fingerprint, face unlock, and also unlock with Bluetooth. And over here you can see this password is on and all the others are off. Now I'll tap on this password, and now you will find this draw your pattern. That means we must draw the existing pattern of our phone. Now I'll draw mine 1, 2, 3, 6, 9. And after that you will find this turn off lock. Tap on this and just tap on this OK, and you can see our screen lock, that is password which was on, is turned off now. So in this way we can remove the screen lock on our Android phone. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.